Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's AI Playground, and in today's video we'll build a powerful OCR application using EasyOCR. It's a well-known package, and Streamlit. OCR, or optical character recognition, allows us to extract text from images. Let's dive right in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to create the space in the Hugging Face. So it's going to be an Hugging Face, and I'm going to use this Streamlit. First thing first, I'm going to introduce you to the EasyOCR. And the official documentation is here in the GitHub, and then you can find more information about it in the languages supported right here in the official website. And you can actually see the codes for each language from here. And today we're going to build some EasyOCR for the English language. So here you can see the list of the languages supported. So it's about 80, and it's amazing, and it gives us a lot of things, a lot of possibilities to do, right? And it's absolutely open source. So guys, let's go to the Hugging Face, huggingface.co, and let's log in. Okay, I'm gonna show here the, I'm gonna click to the new space and name it with the OCR, okay? And you can name it as whatever you want to name with, okay? And then I'm click to the Streamlit. You can also build it on the Gradio, as we did in our last video. You can check it out. And then we click to the Create Space button. Right here, it's much convenient to write the codes right here, but you're free to use any editor environment that you are comfortable with. It can be Collab, it can be Visual Studio, right? It can be Jupyter Notebook. So it's up to you guys. I will just try to write it here. Let's get any problems. So app.py, I'm gonna name this file on. Let's first quickly make a requirements.txt. So you know, guys, you should always name our files in a Hugging Face in a way they are presented. Requirements.txt should be always requirements.txt. You cannot write even requirement.txt, or you cannot write anything like main app.py or something like this, because it's a sensitive thing. Okay, here we're gonna input the necessary libraries. It will be EasyOCR, and then it's gonna be Pillow. Actually, I guess that's all. Set a Streamlit. Okay, commit new file to the main, and then we're gonna create another file right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to name this file as the app.py. And the next thing is I'm gonna import the libraries, import Streamlit as st import EasyOCR, import pill. Actually, it's import image from pill. I'm just swapped the places. Okay, never mind. So I fixed it. Import numpy, and finally I guess we have to import IO, or bytes IO. Okay, the next thing is we're gonna initialize the OCR reader. For that we have to make a variable and EasyOCR.reader. And we're gonna specify the language right here. So it's gonna be the English in our case. So you guys are free to to check and apply any language you want. I did the same with the Uzbek language too. It worked just fine, and it's an amazing tool. So, title. For the Streamlit title, you're free to input anything you want. I will just name it like OCR with EasyOCR. That makes sense. So the next thing is I'm gonna add the upload file, and we're gonna make some manipulations with the uploaded file, and it should be file uploader here. And for that we have to give the type of the image that can be uploaded. Actually, the types can be like a JPG, okay, JPG. Sorry, I forgot. It's actually not needed. Okay, and also it can be the PNG. I guess that's all. So the next thing we're gonna do is to create the condition. So if uploaded file, and we're gonna give the condition image, image.open. Okay, we have to convert it to the RGB because EasyOCR works in this way. Other way you're gonna have the errors, so you guys have to be careful. Okay, we have to be careful with the indentation too, as Python is sensitive with that image. And then the caption, uploaded image. So we're gonna just give some little hints, instructions or descriptions, let's say, and then use column width true. Okay. The next thing we have to do is to convert the image to a format that EasyOCR can handle. It's a NumPy array format, so I'm going to do that there. And I'm going to just convert it into the array format. Okay. The next thing we're going to run. It's actually read text, image, and P. What's left is the part of the display. It's also the main part. Yeah. We create the subheader. It's not necessary, guys, but you can just edit and make it more like presentable and easier for the users, so user-friendly, let's say. And the second thing we're gonna do is to create the loop for the detection. For the text, it's going to be detection 0. And for the box, bbox, it's going to be detection 1. And here I'm going to write and add the f string right here, and then I'm just going to get the text from the image. And actually here our result will be displayed, okay? Okay, the text here, and then that's all, I guess. It should work, guys, but it can have a little minor errors. Let's see. Let's commit new file to the main and then see the result, okay? Or I go to the OCR project and see and look after the belt. You can also check the belt, check for the logs and what's going on with your project, and you can see that it's downloading right here the EasyOCR, the pillow, the Streamlit, all libraries that we've included into the requirements file. So just let's wait. It can take a little bit of time, but yeah, I have to be just patient here. Actually, Streamlit takes a little bit of time, especially when you do it with the CPU, not GPU. If you have resources and if you have this opportunity, I highly recommend you to use the GPU, especially for the projects that it requires you to load some models from the open source or anywhere else. It will save your time in life, truly. So we can see that the NumPy was install and uninstall depending on the version, and the most appropriate version was put there because we've not mentioned the version inside of the requirements file. So okay, it's pushing. Okay guys, our app is built and it's running and we have to just wait. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna just search for the random image with the text, okay, and then I'm gonna save it right here and I will just upload it here, okay, and let's see if it works or not. So it's running. It will load the image. Okay, name image was not defined. Okay guys, we have to go back to the files and then see what's the problem. Okay, so it says that the name image was not defined. Why? Oh my god, here. Okay. So it's the case sensitive, guys. I wanted to say this, but I wrote it with the small letters, so it gave me the error. So we should commit the changes back again and then see the result. For the first time, it took quite a long time to be pushed, but for the second time, it's gonna take a little less. But anyway, until it gets green color, we should not touch and try our model, like our app, because it's gonna give the previous version, yeah. So until it turns green. Okay, it turned green and then it's loading. Let's check if we've done everything correctly. It should work out. So let's see. Okay, what's this? Name MP is not defined. Sorry guys. Why is it input? I wrote it as NP. Okay, my typo, my mistake, and then let's check back again. Commit the changes, and it's gonna be built again. Let's wait. Okay, we are running third time, guys, and then I really hope it's gonna work this time. Let's see. It's always like that. You get errors, but you should not give up. You should end up the project. It's not so hard. Stay strong and stay positive. It's just a little bug. And the process is going. It should not stop you. The good skill you can have these times and from now on is debugging. If you can debug, it means that you can solve the problem. So you don't have to worry about it. I believe you can, and you're halfway there, for sure. Let's see. As I said, you can just turn on the GPU, but I don't have resources, sorry. So it's gonna take time. You can see that the captions we wrote, the title, upload an image, the instruction, and then the supporting images. Oh my god, we did one thing wrong, I guess. So we have to go back to the file again. That's totally okay. And I'm just gonna check if I did everything correct or not. Text detection. Oh my god, okay, it's actually let's write this. F string again, and then we have to put here the bounding box, and then the B box here. Okay, it should work out right now. I'm giving it forced chance. I will of course leave the codes for you guys, and the space itself, you can check it out so you don't spend your time on the errors we got right now. Okay guys, it's running again, and let's give it a try. At least the last time we didn't get that red box error, so it was a good sign. Okay guys, it's loaded, and ta-da! We got the result. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Okay? That was amazing. And of course, it's a little bit not accurate with the uppercase and lower cases, but still, look, we got a result. It means that we can build our own apps, not only in Streamlit, but with other means too, and Python, for instance. So you're free to use any other frameworks and move on with the real projects. It was really amazing to work with you guys, and that's it for today's tutorial. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.